M. Chandrakasi. Yes, please.
Thank you, Madam. I like to know from Honorable Minister whether the Railways has any plan to further review and reform the existing system of booking and sales train tickets so as to remove any chance for role of middleman or broker or agent. If so, detail thereof.
Please.
Madam, is also a valid concern. We have noticed a lot of abuse taking place by the middlemen, what we call touts, who claim to be representing the railways, but who have nothing to do with the railways. There have been rackets which have been going on. We are constantly raiding them, trying to take action against them. But at the same time, we need some sort of, so we already have sub-agents, which are almost 3,600 sub-agents. So all these sub-agents also need to be properly monitored. But we are taking a number of steps now. The technology is an answer, but technology also is a challenge. As we develop more technology, the abuse of technology will happen. People will try to score over them. Right. Constantly, we have to keep upgrading our technology. That's the only way we can do it. We are constantly trying to stave it. I will just tell you, madam, what we have done recently is that in the last few months itself, the ticket booking rate per minute has now been increased to 12,900 tickets per minute, which was earlier only 2,000 tickets. This has helped people to actually book the ticket. Secondly, we also take a number of locations like increasing the PRS location, that's where you can actually go and make the reservation, by almost 300 in the last few months. We are also increasing the way people are actually booking e-tickets, and then there was abuse which was possible during particularly between 10 to 11. When the Tatkal booking were opening, people are abusing it. So you have stopped agents from entering the system for first half an hour. So it is available only for general public. Then, of course, they can book in. So we have taken a number of such measures. We are also taking measures to find out how people can cancel the ticket. Another very important measure, madam, which was happening, which was actually abuse, that people cancellation was happening. People used to claim that I am not traveled because we didn't have the system. Now all this system is getting overhauled. We are giving to a TT a handle whereby he can actually, now we know exactly on real-time basis how much tickets are vacant, but this is happening on a initial stages. It has not covered universally, but once this happens, this also will reduce the abuse.
Thank you. Sri Rangappa Parne, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पूछिए, अच्छी डिटेल उत्तर आ गए.
जरूर मंत्री महोदय ने लिखित रूप उत्तर में दिया है, आरक्षित एकोमोडेशन की मांग और आपूर्ति के अंतर होने के कारण आरक्षण का दुरुपयोग होता है. मैं मंत्री जी को पूछना चाहता हूं, टिकट एजेंट एंड ट्रैवल कंपनी द्वारा रेलवे की कई गतिविधियां चलती है कि टिकट बेचने की, इससे रोकने के लिए सरकार क्या कदम उठा रही है और इस साल ऐसे कितने मामले सामने आए जिनके ऊपर कानूनी कार्रवाई की?
मैडम, क्योंकि ये ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन में था, मेरे पास एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं है कि कितने लोगों के ऊपर कार्रवाई की गई, लेकिन मैं जरूर कहता हूँ ये लगातार कार्रवाई करते रहते. कल भी कई जगह पर कार्रवाई की गई. ई टिकट में बोगस ई टिकट को भी पाया गया. इस तरह की कार्रवाई हमेशा हो रही है और मैं आपको आश्वासित करना चाहता हूँ, इसमें जो लॉन्ग टर्म सॉल्यूशन यही है कि आज हमारी जो मांग और आपूर्ति में जो अंतर है उसको पूरी करने के लिए जो कैपेसिटी ऑगमेंटेशन हम कर रहे हैं, हर रेलवे स्टेशन के ऊपर, हमारे सांसद के लिए जानकारी के लिए अभी जानकारी मिल जाएगी, हर रेलवे स्टेशन के ऊपर क्या कैपेसिटी ऑगमेंटेशन हम कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में जानकारी पूरी मात्रा में लगाई जाएगी. आपको भी पता होगा. इसके लिए मुझे लगता है 2-3 सालों में जिस तरह से ये ऑगमेंटेशन की कैपेसिटी का काम पूरा होगा, जैसे हमारे स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ने बताया, तो पूरा होने के बाद मुझे बहुत विश्वास है कि ये जो अंतर है वो पूरी तरह से कम हो जाएगा और उसके कारण इस तरह का एब्यूज करने की संभावना भी कम हो जाएगी.